Mount Roraima, the lost world on a floating island. Rising where Venezuela and Brazil meet, Mount Roraima looks like something from another world. Its cliffs drop dramatically around a vast, flat summit. When mist rolls in, it creates the illusion of a floating island in the sky. Stretching over 30 kilometers, this ancient plateau is home to plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth, an isolated ecosystem millions of years old. Its striking appearance even inspired the magical landscape in Pixar's animated movie, Up. Standing atop this vast plateau, where clouds roll across the flat summit, you can feel the mystery and wonder that has fascinated explorers and storytellers for centuries. Mount Roraima is a window into Earth's ancient past, still untouched and full of secrets. Curious about the most amazing places in the world? Check out my latest YouTube video, Top 10 Wonderful Places on Earth You Won't Believe Exist.